like to call the adhan, so we'll call the adhan and then we'll start, inshallah. Barakallah fiqh. Okay, so I want to ask a simple question, and you want to see how many people have a pen and paper. Huh? Raise your hand if you have a pen and paper. Okay? Huh? Raise your hand. Hi, I don't see. Huh? Okay. So barely less than what? The phone is not pen and paper, yeah? Yeah, okay. So, you know a lot of the righteous predecessors, or the ulama in general, they say, if you come to war, would you come without a weapon? They say, now we're going to fight. You're going to come without a weapon? Or how are you going to come? You're going to come prepared. If you come to a setting of knowledge, whatever setting of knowledge it is, and you don't come with a pen and paper, then you don't have your weapons with you. Because unless, mashallah, we're sitting here with Bukhari, if we are sitting with Bukhari, I'll say, okay, it's okay. You don't need a pen and paper. You're going to recollect all the information after we're done. Unless this is the case, the pen and paper will help you, because we're also trying to organize the knowledge for you by giving you points, which would help you to recall the information when you want to revise them. So inshallah, we have another session. Hopefully maybe more people will have pens and papers that time, inshallah. And in general, for anyone's session, we don't mean these ones only, but any setting of knowledge should be prepared, inshallah. Okay, so we said